So first of all, good evening everyone and welcome to this video, and my name is Ritesh, and today in this video I want to discuss with you about the preprocessor command. What is the uses of the preprocessor command? What is the meaning of the preprocessor command? First of all, we will discuss about it. What is the meaning of the preprocessor command, and then what is the uses of the preprocessor directive. Sorry for that. What is the uses of the preprocessor command? Means why we are going to use the preprocessor command, bro? And then what is the all these things? Okay, means what is the disadvantages and etc. so on about the preprocessor command. So let's see what is the meaning of the preprocessor command. So preprocessor is nothing, bro. As you know that what is the hashtag? So that hashtag is the preprocessor command. Okay, in our programming life. For C, okay, in the C++ also. So I want to say you something, bro, that we have the preprocessor command, that is a hashtag has include and then stdio.h. That one is the one library file which one is going to the include through the include keyword, include word, that is a predefined word in the our C programming. Okay, so has include and then stdio.h. So what we are going to do, we are going to include the one header file, that is a standard library header file, a standard IO input, that is a stdio.h. We are going to then include in our source file, in our main file. Okay, so what I want to discuss with you, that what is the meaning of the preprocessor command. So preprocessor command is nothing but a preprocessor command is a command which one is going to use for the give the command to the our processor, to the our CPU, to extract, to see all these files, to see all these functions, okay, of the declared file. Okay, as if we are going to the writing, that means we are giving the one command for the CPU, that you must have to the include the this header file. That one will be anywhere, that one will maybe your std library file, stdio file. Okay, so at that time that one is going to the give the command for the CPU, that you must have to the deal with this header file. Okay, means you must have to the see all these things of this header file. That is a maybe your header file will be stdio header file .h. .h means what? Header file. Okay, so in this video we are going to the discussing about only about the preprocessor command. So this one is a just like a command, you can say. This one is going to the use for the giving the command for the CPU, that deal with the our inserted header files. Okay, means I want to say you that whatever we are going to the include any type of the header files in our main file, that is a main source code file. So at a time we must have to the use the hashtag, that is a use for the give the command for the CPU, that you must have to the deal with the this header file, all these header files. Okay, at a time what will be happen if you are going to the writing has include stdio.h. so what is the header file? .h is a sign of the header file, that is a showing that this one is the one header file. Okay, so at a time our CPU will be understand that this one is a one header file, and then we must have to the at that time our CPU will be think that I must have to the deal with that header file. Okay, so at that time what will be happen, that will be create one file. Okay, in the we can't see all these things. Okay, but we must have to the visualize all these things. Okay, so our CPU will be create one file, encrypted file. At that time what will happen, that will be extract all these files of that predefined file, that is a header files we have to then include in our source files. So all these files will be copy from that and then inserted that, and then our CPU will be understand that what have to the declared in the stdio.h header file. Okay, So I hope that you have the clarity that why we are going to the use the hashtag. Hashtag is a preprocessor command. This one is going to the preprocessor means what? I want to say you that this one is going to the give the command. It's okay, but in the second view of the angle, I want to say you something that preprocessor means this one is going to the compile process our all these source codes before the compilation. So that is the meaning of the preprocessor command. Preprocessor command is a command which one is going to the executed before the compilations of the our program. Okay, so preprocessor command will be compile our source code top to bottom and the left to right. You can also see, you can also say, okay, all these things will be compiled, okay, through the our preprocessor command by default. If you are going to the writing hashtag, that time that will be happen. Okay, so I hope that you have the clarity that what is the uses of the hashtag. By the CPU, with the help of the CPU will be scan all these things, bro. You can also say, okay, because that one is going to this all these things dealing. So let's bye, meet you again in the next video and the next level of the energy and next level of the programming concept also. Okay, so let's bye, meet you again in the next video.